Tiana, can you help Sissy? Tiana, help her find the computer, please. Yay! I got you! High five, baby! Oh, you want to eat my finger? I'm so happy! You did it, baby! What's the date today? I don't even know. Okay, honey, I'll help you find the computer right now. Can you say it one more time? Mama? Mama?
Mommy.
You say mama now.
Mommy.
Good job. Yay! I'm so happy. Oh, we gotta show you off now. Yay! Oh, I'm so excited. Wow, isn't that awesome, baby? That's so exciting. Yay! You're so sweet. I love you.